Welcome to our final session, Understanding My Device in Practice. Over the past lessons, you have explored how a device works, why apps behave differently, and how the internet delivers information on your screen. Now, it is time to bring all these concepts together in a final mini project. Well, by looking back at what you have already learned, you will see that you are no longer just a passenger, but a conscious director of your digital world. For this activity, please choose one simple action you already perform, such as opening a messaging app, searching for something online, or visiting a website. Your task here is to describe this action step by step, either by writing your answer on paper or saying them out loud. For example, if you choose messaging, you would start by identifying your first move, such as tapping the app icon, and then describing how the app opens on your screen. This exercise helps you pause and recognize the exact moment your device reacts to your input. As you describe the chosen project, think about the sequence of events. What opens first and what exactly do you see on the screen? Consider whether the internet is playing a role by connecting to your messages or fetching search results. Recognizing how the device and the internet work together to show you information is the key to mastering your device. This step-by-step logic transforms a simple tap into a clear, understandable process. Okay, completing this task proves that you can now describe digital actions with clarity and recognize the harmony between your device, apps, and the internet. You should feel a new sense of confidence in using your device independently and a greater awareness of how information appears on your screen. This awareness is your greatest tool as you move forward. Okay, you have successfully mastered the basics, and you are now ready to explore the digital world on your own terms. And at this moment, I wish you the best of luck, and I'm saying to you goodbye. Okay, completing this task proves that you can now describe digital actions with clarity and recognize the harmony between your device, apps, and the internet. You should feel a new sense of confidence in using your device independently and a greater awareness of how information appears on your screen. This awareness is your greatest tool as you move forward. Okay, you have successfully mastered the basics, and you are now ready to explore the digital world on your own terms. And at this moment, I wish you the best of luck, and I'm saying to you goodbye.